I was going to replace this pocket door latch here. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. When I took it out, there was a screw already missing in it. Well, I can see why now. They didn't have any solid backer in there, just 1/8" plywood. They thought that was going to hold a screw. Whoever installed it the first time didn't know what they were doing, obviously, so I'll fix it right this time. So I got to glue a little piece of wood in there so I got something solid to screw to so they don't just fall out or vibrate out or wear out. Put a new piece of solid wood in there. Now I'm ready to pre-drill the holes. Fasten this thing.